Harris Exteriors and More is a replacement window contractor in Streamwood. If you're in the market for new windows, come see the extensive selection of windows in our 2,500 square foot showroom, featuring manufacturers like Andersen Windows, Marvin Windows, Simonton Windows, and Allside Windows.
Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, designer, or property manager, we invite you to come, look around, touch, and discover the many innovative products that we have to offer.
To obtain more information or visit our showroom in Streamwood, call us today or visit www.harrisexteriors.com.